Welcome back to our channel One Step Everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can reset your TikTok's For You page. So let's say you don't want to see the things which is like right now being recommended to you on your For You page. There's some methods you guys can do in order to fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and open your profile in TikTok, and then click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen and go on where it says settings and privacy. Once you go in setting and privacy, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see clear cache option. Once you click on clear cache option, it's gonna clear your cache. And once you do that, the first step is complete. You can go on home over here, and then at the top right corner you can see the search icon. Click on it, and anything which you have searched for over here, make sure you delete them or clear your search history. Alright, once you clear your search history, let's say I don't like to see these kind of videos, I can hold on it and click on not interested. What TikTok is gonna think is I don't like those kind of videos. Now I don't like this videos as well, I'm gonna click on not interested. But let's say I like this video, I'm gonna click on like. Let's say I like this video, I'm gonna click on like. Just like this, you need to do like those videos which you like, click on like, interact with them. Those videos which you don't like, just choose not interested. And TikTok over time will know like what your taste of video is, and your For You page will start to change slowly, time by time. Alright, so yeah, it's not gonna happen instantly, but yeah, this is the working method of how you guys can reset your TikTok's For You page. So hit that subscribe button to our channel One Step, and I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.